Hey there, welcome back. What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two things by saying one is the other, even though they are different. It helps to describe something in a more imaginative way. Here are some examples. Time is a thief, meaning time steals moments from our lives, often without us realizing. The world is a stage, meaning life is like a theatrical play, and people are actors playing their roles. He has a heart of stone, meaning he is emotionally cold or unfeeling. Her voice was music to his ears, meaning her voice was very pleasant and comforting to him. The classroom was a zoo, meaning the classroom was chaotic and full of noise. Life is a roller coaster, meaning life has ups and downs, like a roller coaster ride. She's a shining star, meaning she is outstanding and impressive. The storm was a beast, meaning the storm was powerful and fierce. His mind is a computer, meaning he processes information quickly and efficiently. The news hit me like a ton of bricks, meaning the news was very shocking or overwhelming. So in summary, a metaphor is a figure of speech that directly compares two different things by saying one is the other. It helps describe something in a creative way without using like or as. That's all for now. Have a great day.